Most people think seals are just fat, friendly ocean puppies. They couldn't be more wrong. One seal hunts penguins. One can dive deeper than most submarines. One inflates its own nose like a giant balloon. And one survives months trapped beneath Antarctic ice. Let's meet the first one. Leopard seal. This is the seal that penguins fear the most. The leopard seal isn't chasing fish. It's hunting warm-blooded prey. Penguins, young seals, even seabirds. Its long jaws are packed with razor-sharp teeth, built for grabbing struggling animals underwater. Unlike most seals, it sits at the very top of Antarctica's food chain. When a penguin enters the water, this predator is often already waiting. Would you swim here? Elephant seal. This is the heavyweight champion of all seals. A massive male southern elephant seal can weigh over 4,000 kilograms. That's heavier than many SUVs. But here's the unbelievable part. They can dive deeper than 2,000 meters, holding their breath for nearly 2 hours. Most of their lives happen in complete darkness, far below where sunlight can reach. They're giants that almost nobody ever sees. Harbor seal. At first glance, this seal looks harmless, but don't underestimate it. Harbor seals can sleep underwater. Half of their brain stays alert, while the other half rests. They quietly surface for air, without fully waking up. It's one of nature's smartest survival tricks. Sleeping without becoming dinner. Gray seal. Look closely at its face. Gray seals have one of the strongest bites of any seal species. Large males often battle each other, leaving deep scars across their necks. Those scars aren't accidents. They're survival trophies. Every mark tells the story of a fight that wasn't forgotten. Weddell seal. Imagine living beneath ice, so thick you can't even see the ocean. The Weddell seal does exactly that. It keeps breathing holes open by scraping the ice with its teeth. Without those holes, it couldn't survive. One frozen mistake could mean never reaching the surface again. Crab-eater seal. Despite the name, this seal almost never eats crabs. Instead, it filters tiny Antarctic krill from the water. Its unusual teeth work like a giant sieve. Ironically, it's probably the most numerous large mammal on Earth. Millions of them, hiding in the Antarctic ice. Ribbon seal. If fashion existed underwater, this seal would win. Its jet black body is crossed by brilliant white ribbons. The pattern is so unique, it almost looks painted. Scientists still don't fully understand why evolution gave it such striking colors. Sometimes, nature creates beauty just because it can. Harp seal. Almost every baby harp seal is born wearing a pure white coat. It helps them blend into snowy ice. But that fluffy coat lasts only a few weeks. Soon, it's replaced by the famous harp-shaped markings that give the species its name. One animal, two completely different appearances. Hooded seal. Now meet the strangest nose in the seal family. Adult males can inflate a giant red nasal sac, larger than a football. When threatened or trying to impress females, the balloon suddenly appears. It's one of the weirdest displays in the entire animal kingdom. Ross seal. This may be the least understood seal on Earth. Ross seals live so deep inside Antarctic ice that humans rarely encounter them. Instead of roaring, they produce strange whistles, chirps, and almost musical sounds beneath the ice. A seal that sounds more like a science fiction creature than a marine mammal. 10 seals. One hunts penguins. One dives 2 kilometers into darkness. One sleeps underwater. And one inflates its own face like a balloon. The next time someone tells you all seals are the same, you'll know they've never met these 10. Now tell me, which seal surprised you the most? And which one would you never want to encounter in the wild? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering animals that are far stranger than they look, there's plenty more waiting in the next video.